Hello friends, welcome to another video from our Vietnam trip. We are still at Ninh Binh and today we are going to take the Tam Coc boat ride. The Tam Coc boat ride is a serene 2-hour long journey along the Ngo Dong River. During this journey we will pass through towering limestone mountains, lush green rice paddies and mysterious caves. The boat is rowed by local boatwomen using a unique foot paddling technique. The second popular boat ride option in Ninh Binh is the Trang An boat tour, often compared to Tam Coc but with its own unique charm. But we chose the Tam Coc boat ride because the pier from which it departed was right next to where we were staying, and it is the more popular one because it is shorter. Tam Coc is a reminder that nature's beauty can truly leave you speechless. Drifting through the river, time flows down here, and you can truly admire the harmony between man and nature. The caves along the Tam Coc boat ride are natural wonders, which are carved out over millions of years by the flow of water. Tam Coc literally means the three caves in Vietnamese. There are three caves along the way. The largest of the three is Hang Ca, stretching over 120 meters in length. Each offers unique rock formations and stalactites hanging from the ceiling. The atmosphere inside is peaceful and almost otherworldly, with only the soft echo of water dripping and the rhythmic sound of the boat's paddles there to break the silence.
कैसे करोगे सारा फॉर्मेशन देखो पत्थरों की
Just after the third cave was the halfway point of the journey, from where the boat turns back. There were some local vendors selling fruits and other refreshments in boats.
Mango. How much? 30.
As we approach the pier, the peaceful journey along the Ngo Dong River comes to a gentle close. But the memories of Tam Coc's breathtaking landscapes will linger long after we have. This boat ride has been a quiet escape into a world where time seems to slow down. Thank you for joining us, and we hope the experience leaves you as inspired as we are.